1/53/20 between Ayeni Micheal Ojo and unknown persons.
Representation, if any?
My Lord, members of the panel, I'm about to be I announce my appearance for protection.
Recommendation. The complainant claimed against unknown persons who vandalized his car, a Nissan Primera, registration number law 154 AE on 20th of October 2020 on the way to his house at Afao Kajola, Ikere-Ekiti. The hoodlums / Endsars protesters destroyed all the windscreen with all the car mirror and went away with his Android phone. In his sworn evidence before this panel, the complainant stated that he is a commercial driver and that on 2010-2020 and that 2010-2020 was a bad day for him. That after dropping his passengers at his junction, he took Ayeni Street and parked beside St. John's Primary School with other people and sat down with his friend. Later, 4 vehicles with mobile policemen and civil defense officers came to clear the road. As they were clearing it, the hoodlums were blocking it back. The policemen stopped and started to beat the hoodlums. He then decided to go and drive his vehicle away from the scene. In the process, the hoodlum blocked his way and hit his vehicle with so many objects. He then ran out of the car to the other side. To the other side of the road. They broke his vehicle's back and front windscreen. The boot was damaged and they broke all the other glasses. He stated further that the lift back boot of the car will cost 25,000 naira. The windscreen will cost 18,000 naira. The side window glasses will cost 8,000 each, making it a total of 32,000 naira. The side mirror will cost 6,500. The paint, the pointer and side lamps will cost 15,000 naira. The bodywork of the vehicle will cost him 50,000 naira. He praised the panel to help him because he has lost his job, his paid job, on August 4, 2020, and borrowed money to repair the car so that he could feed his family. He prayed the panel to help him put the car back on the road. He asked for 5 million naira to be able to repair his vehicle. He tendered the pictures of his damaged vehicle and it was admitted as Exhibit A. The vehicle particulars were also admitted as Exhibit B to B7. He put the current value of the car as 1.6 million. The vehicle is at Ikere where he parked it before taking the pictures. That he bought the car in the year 2015 and that the vehicle particulars expired in 2016. The vehicle was used for a few months before he parked it. The evidence of the second PW is impairing material without the claimant in every material particulars. Having considered the content of the complaint, the oral document and documentary evidence before us, we find that the vehicle of the complainant was in fact and indeed vandalized by hoodlums at Ikere on 2010-2020 as described by him. We assess the cost of repairs of the vehicle as follows. 1. The lift back boot, 25,000 naira. 2. The windscreen, 18,000 naira. 3. The side glasses, 4 of them, 8,000 naira each, amounting to 32,000 naira. The side mirrors, 6,500. The bodywork at 50,000 naira. The pointer and side lamp, 15,000 naira. General damages, being a commercial vehicle, we calculated with the loss at 48,000 naira per month. The 2 months will amount to 96,000 naira, totaling 442,000 naira. Following from the above, we recommend that the government should pay the complainant a sum of 242,500 naira for the repairs of his vehicle and loss of earnings. It is noted that the complainant was driving his car for 4 years without valid or current vehicle particulars. We condemn this unpatriotic attitude of the complainant, and we therefore recommend that the payment for and acquiring correct and current particulars should be made a condition precedent for the payment of the recommended amount of